Charts are fairly straightforward for lead developer develop and sell. And we have 4 different charts here. There's uses and costs that show the difference between how the costs are utilized over the project timeline. And in here, you'll see that, as you allocate all these expenses all across the project, that's what they will look like. We actually had most of the cost allocated in the month of December 2024 because we were doing a sample project for the sake of explaining and creating these videos. So this one will bifurcate between sources and uses. So you'll see all the different expenses that are color coded, all your main cost heads that we allocate here. That's what this chart is broken down into across the timeline, and it shows the entire utilization of all the costs over a period of time. This is debt and equity. When does debt kick in and when does equity kick in? So you'll see that there's a lot of blue stuff here. That's when all the equity is getting used, and that's when the debt is getting used as we progress in the project. This gives you an overview of starting from the scratch, which is a combination of debt, equity, finance cost, and all your major cost heads. So that's how this would go and show. And it also combines sales. So you'll see that that's when your sales are happening across these last 6 months. And you'll see there are certain costs that are still happening, but the sales start happening and go, and that way this would go in. So, and this is a breakdown, or this is a pie chart. It's just a breakdown of all the different costs that shows you what percentage there are. So, and that's the chart section for lead developer, develop and sell.